Now, let us discuss one more concept of trigonometry. Find the value of cosec minus 1410 degree with the help of trigonometrical T ratios. You know very well about the trigonometrical T ratios. As you know, after school to college, the four quadrants are there. So whenever you want to find out the value of any trigonometrical function, you remember one thing. Number one, whenever a negative angle is given along with trigonometrical function, then first of all we adjust this negative value. In case of cosec having a property that minus will come outside, so its result equals becomes to minus of cosec 104 degree. If in place of cosec cos is given, for example cos of minus 1410 is given to you. In case of cos, if minus is there, then this minus is consumed by cos, means negative symbol can never come outside in case of cos and sec. But in case of remaining trigonometrical function, this minus symbol come outside. Now to see how to find out the result of cosec minus 40. Now 1410 divided by, normally the people divide it by 360 degree because 360 means complete one rotation, but it is my suggestion that you will go with the 180 degree. See this one, if I go with 180 degree, in that case 180 7 za 1260. Now subtract it 0, it is 5, it is 1, it is 150 degree. Now if you want to apply this concept, you can, or if you want to change the concept, you can also change. See this one, first by this concept, minus of cosec, it is 180 means pi, it is 7 pi plus 150 degree. You know very well about the 7 pi. If you see about the 7 pi, here it is 0, here it is pi, here it is 2 pi, here it is 3 pi, here it is 4 pi, it is 5 pi, it is 6 pi, it is 7 pi, here 7 pi, and 7 pi plus theta means you enter into the third quadrant. In third quadrant cosec is negative, so this minus cosec is converted into plus and cosec of 150 degree. But still there is a one problem. We know the value from 0 to 90 degree. Now it is 150 degree. We have to change the result. See this one. It is cosec 180 can be written 150 can be written as 180 minus 30 degree. So it is cosec 30 degree. And in case of cosec 180 minus theta, if you know very well, 180 is lies here, minus theta means you are in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant cosec is positive, so your answer remains as such positive. So your answer is equals to cosec 30, that is equals to 2. Now it is a one method with the help of which we can solve. There is a one more chance. See, I know here if I divide by the 7, it is 1260, remainder is 150. Now it is advised, whenever you divide this thing and your remainder is more than 90, in that case increase this quotient by 1. So see how can we divide now this one. Again divide with 180, we know very well 7 gives the more remainder than 90. In that case increase 1, that is equals to 8. When you go for the 8 multiplication, you will get 1440. On subtraction, you will get minus 30 degree. See this one. By increasing 1, your angle becomes equals to minus. Now how can we write down? We can write down cosec minus of 1410 into the form of minus cosec of, it is pi, it is 8 pi minus 30 degree. Clear? It is 8 pi minus 30 degree. Now see this one. Again we use, remember one thing, whenever we go for the movement, it is 0, it is pi, it is 2 pi, it is 3 pi, it is 4 pi, means all the even number on this side, all the odd number on this side. It is 8 pi. So 8 pi will be lies here. This one minus of theta means moving downward. Downward means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is a house of cos and sec. So it is cosec. So your answer is negative. This one negative is there. One negative is occurred due to the fourth quadrant. So negative and negative make the result positive, and it become cosec of 30 degree. And cosec 30 is equals to 2. You see, in this part we have simplified it by long method, but in this part we have get the answer in 3 lines. So it is your choice. You will apply this concept or this concept. It is dependent.